This homemade strawberry liqueur called Erdbeerlimes is a very popular drink in Germany. You can either drink it on the rocks or mix it with water, Sprite, ginger ale or other soft drinks. It is also delicious with sparkling wine or champagne. My personal favorite is to pour it over ice cream or other desserts. So good! This homemade drink makes the perfect hostess gift, and this is why I included some gift tag downloads for you for free, so you can just click on the link in the video description. The link will lead you also to the printable recipe, but let me show you really quick the few ingredients that you need to make this amazing treat. To make about 3.5 to 4 quarts of strawberry liqueur, you need 4 pounds of strawberries. If strawberries are not in season, you can easily make this drink with frozen strawberries. If you use fresh strawberries, make sure they are ripe and sweet. I thawed the frozen strawberries already for about 2 hours, but they are still a little bit frozen, which is okay, as I will pour warm homemade syrup over them later. You also need 3 cups of sugar, 2.5 cups of lemon juice, about 1 3/4 cups of water, and 3 cups of vodka. It does not need to be top shelf vodka, but keep in mind that the drink still is only as good as the vodka that you will use. And then you will need some bottles to fill up the strawberry limes. You can find these cute little bottles online or bigger ones at IKEA, the dollar store, or your local supermarkets. But you can also use cleaned out bottles that you already have at home. Start by adding the water and the sugar to a small saucepan, and then heat over medium heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then pour the water mixture over the strawberries and allow them to sit for about 30 minutes. After that, add the mixture to a blender and puree finely. My blender is not super powerful, that is why I like to strain the strawberry mixture through a fine sieve to remove most of the seeds. Then add the lemon juice. I only used about 3/4 of the lemon juice as my strawberries were not very sweet. I always like to make a test to adjust the lemon juice to my liking. Pour in the vodka and mix well. I usually make another taste test, and if you like it sweeter, this is the perfect time to add some powdered sugar. It will dissolve very easily in the mixture, but keep in mind that the taste will develop during the next 24 hours. And that's basically it. You can fill the strawberry limes into sterilized bottles and store them in the fridge, but you can also make a variation. Add coconut cream or heavy whipping cream to create a tropic or creamy version of this recipe. Enjoy the perfect summer drink in all its variations. Zum Wohl!